Introduce us the officers from War Design from Princess. So give a huge round of applause for Rui!